How to Care for Hair Extensions. The Ultimate Expert Guide. 2026. Investing in high-quality hair extensions is not just a purchase. It is a commitment. Whether you have chosen luxurious Russian tape-ins, a voluminous sew-in weave, or versatile clip-ins, the longevity of your new hair depends entirely on your aftercare routine. We see it too often in the salon. A client spends hundreds on premium hair, only to ruin it in weeks due to improper maintenance. This is not just another generic list of tips. This is your comprehensive, elite-level Bible on how to care for hair extensions. Drawing from years of professional salon experience, we will guide you through the biology of extension maintenance, preventing the dreaded matting and the specific products that will keep your hair looking salon-fresh for months. https rawhair-luxury.com/how-to-care-for-hair-extensions-expert-2026 #RawHairLuxury #HowToCareForHairExtensions #SwimmingWithExtensions #brushing hair extensions #sulfate-free shampoo for extensions